In this video, we will be doing some numericals based upon capacitances. So here is the first numerical. Okay. The question is that we have to find equivalent capacitance of this network which is given to us. Okay. Here 1, 2 are the values of these capacitors. Okay. So what are the capacities of these capacitors? It is 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, again 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, again 2 microfarad. Okay. So these are the capacities of the capacitors and we have to find out equivalent capacitance. So before finding out the equivalent capacitance, we need to fix out one thing, and that is whether the capacitors are connected in series or they are connected in parallel. But before doing this question, let us start with a concept building. See, you observed that when capacitors are connected in series combination, here's a quick recap. When they are connected in series combination, they are connected like this. So here, from here we give the positive charge and this side is grounded. And what eventually happens, this plate acquires positive charge and this plate acquires negative. This is positive, this is negative, this is again positive, this is negative. And when capacitors are connected in a parallel combination, then their left plates are connected together and their right plates are connected together. Okay, and here we have a potential difference like this, and from here we give the charge such that all the left plates are positive and all the right plates are negative. So this is a parallel combo of capacitors and this is the series combination of capacitors. So keep this thing in mind before solving this question. Now let's have a look how we are going to solve this question. So if A is positive, B is negative, I'm making an assumption from here. These points A and B, these are the two points from which we derive the potential difference for this network. So A has to be positive and B has to be negative. Any one of them has to be positive and any one of them has to be negative. Okay, because we need a potential difference. So if this is positive, this should also be positive and the right plate due to induction will be negative. Okay, and if this is negative, this will be negative and due to induction this would be positive. And talking about this, due to induction it would be positive and this would be negative. So over and all, this circuit goes like this. So if you would have a closer look, that if you would begin to solve from the left hand side of this network, what you would see that the plates are connected together. These two plates are connected together. So what is going to happen, and from here these two plates are connected together. When you can see that these two plates are connected together, the right plate is connected to the left plate. The right plate is connected to the left plate of the second capacitor. So don't you think that these two capacitors are connected in series combo? So when they are connected in a series combination, so in series combination, what is the capacitance? 1 by Cs is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. It would be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and it would be 1. Cs would, or this is the value of 1 by Cs, but eventually Cs would also be 1 microfarad. So when you would see that these two capacitors are connected in series and you would find out the equivalent capacitance of these two capacitors, your answer will be 1 microfarad. And just leave this, draw it again where you would not draw this capacitor. Now this is 1 microfarad and this is again 1 microfarad. And what you can see right now, that these two capacitors are connected in parallel combination. From here you can view it. See, the left plates of both the capacitors are connected together and the right plates of both the capacitors are connected together. I repeat, left plate of both the capacitors are connected together. The right plates of the capacitors are connected together. So this is a parallel combo. And in a parallel combination of capacitors, what is the formula that we employ? Cp is equals to C1 plus C2. So 1 microfarad plus 1 microfarad, it will be 2 microfarads. So ये तो आप component हटा ही दीजिए क्योंकि आपने इसका equivalent capacitance find out कर लिया है, and it is 2 microfarads. Okay, so this is removed because you are finding eventually the equivalent capacitance and you are moving from the left hand side of the circuit. So now here we have come. Okay, so just have a look here. Again the same thing. Now these two are connected in series because ये इस capacitor का 2 microfarad वाले capacitor का ये left plate है और ये right plate है. So right plate of this capacitor is connected to the left plate of the other capacitor. Right plate of the first capacitor is connected to the left plate of the second capacitor. So they both are connected in series. And when you would find out the equivalent capacitance 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will be 1 microfarad. So इसको 1 microfarad यहाँ पे write down करते हैं and इसको shorten कर देते हैं कि ये exist ही नहीं करता यहाँ पे, because you have found the equivalent capacitance. Now again these two are connected in parallel, and when you would find out, earlier they were connected in series, these two. Now these two are connected in parallel. So when you would find out the equivalent capacitance 1 plus 1, it will be 2. अब ये भी exist नहीं करता because आप इसका भी equivalent capacitance find out कर चुके हो. So it is 2. Okay. After that, what you can see, again these 2 and 2 are connected in series. So again it will be 1 microfarad the overall capacitance, and this can be shortened like this. Again these two are connected in parallel. So in parallel combo what we are left with? We will be left with 2 microfarads. इसको आप include कर चुके हो तो अब आगे नहीं, अब इतना circuit बचेगा. Okay. Now what you can see, this is positive, this is negative. Don't you think that these two are connected in series now? So when they are connected in series, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 overall is 1 microfarad. So this is the way you calculate equivalent capacitance of a circuit. पहले आप determine करो कि capacitor series में connected है या parallel में connected है. तो series और parallel के circuit के सभी concepts you need to use over here to just find out whether the given capacitors are connected in series combination or in parallel combination. And once you get to know about this, you need to solve the numerical by applying the formulas for CP and CS. One more question that we'll be doing over here. See, this is a circuit. A, B, C are 3 capacitors having capacitances 8 microfarads, 4 microfarads, and again 4 microfarads, and this is a battery. See, capacitor and battery have almost the same symbol. It resembles, but capacitor has 2 equal lines representing 2 plates, and battery has 2 unequal lines representing positive terminal and negative terminal respectively. Okay, so try to get it. Now you have to find out the equivalent capacitance of this combination. So how you're going to get? So can you see here that if you are going to rotate this, can you see here that the left plates of these 2 capacitors are connected together and the right plates of these 2 capacitors are connected together. So don't you think that B and C capacitors are connected in a parallel combo, in a parallel combination? Of course, yes. So if they are connected in a parallel combination, what was the expression for that? It was C1 plus C2. So it would be 4 microfarads plus 4 microfarads. It would be 8 microfarads. So ओवरऑल कैपेसिटेंस जो इन दोनों से आया दैट इज 8 माइक्रोफैरेड्स. तो इसको ड्रॉ मत करो अब सर्किट में. So overall capacitance is 8 microfarads because of these two capacitors. And can you see that if this is a positive terminal, this will be positive. Due to induction, this will be negative. And due to induction, this would be positive and this would be negative. So now negative is connected to positive. Or you can say left plate is connected to the right plate of capacitor A. Left plate of capacitor B is connected to the right plate of capacitor A. So don't you think that they both are connected in series? And for series, we have 1 by Cs equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So this is 8 microfarads plus 8 microfarads. It is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It will be 2 by 8. And this is 1 by Cs. So Cs will be equal to 8 by 2. Take the reciprocals. So answer is 4 microfarads. So what is the overall capacitance of this whole circuit? This is equal to 4 microfarads.